Today I am reviewing the Medify MA-40 Air Purifier with True HEPA H13 filter. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Medify MA-40 Air Purifier is a powerful and thoughtfully designed air cleaning solution built for people who want noticeably cleaner air in large spaces without constant noise or complicated operation. From the moment you power it on, it's clear that this purifier is engineered for serious performance, making it an excellent choice for homes, apartments, offices, classrooms, and even commercial environments where air quality truly matters. One of the most impressive aspects of the Medify MA-40 is its exceptional coverage capability. It can clean nearly 1,800 square feet in about an hour and even larger areas at a slightly longer runtime, which means it's more than capable of handling open living rooms, large bedrooms, or shared workspaces. Unlike smaller purifiers that struggle to circulate air effectively, this unit moves a high volume of air quickly and efficiently, ensuring that contaminants don't linger. Whether you're dealing with wildfire smoke, urban pollution, or everyday household allergens, the MA-40 is built to refresh the air consistently throughout the entire room. At the heart of its performance is the True HEPA H13 filtration system, which is a major step up from standard HEPA filters. This filter is independently tested to remove 99.9% of airborne particles down to 0.1 microns, capturing ultrafine pollutants that many air purifiers simply can't handle. This includes smoke particles, pollen, dander, dust, mold spores, odors, and even volatile organic compounds. For allergy sufferers, pet owners, or anyone sensitive to airborne irritants, the difference in air quality is something you can actually feel, especially after running the purifier continuously for a few hours. Despite its strong airflow and high cleaning capacity, the Medify MA-40 remains surprisingly quiet, especially on lower fan settings. The lowest speed operates at a near-silent level, making it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or offices where focus and rest are important. Even at higher speeds, the sound is steady and unobtrusive rather than harsh or distracting. Sleep mode further enhances nighttime comfort by dimming all panel lights, allowing you to enjoy clean air without any visual or noise disturbance. Ease of use is another area where the MA-40 truly shines. The touch control panel is clean, modern, and intuitive, offering multiple fan speeds, a timer, auto mode, and a clear PM 2.5 air quality indicator. The built-in dust sensor automatically adjusts performance based on real-time air conditions, which is perfect for hands-off operation. The child lock feature adds peace of mind for families with kids or pets, ensuring settings stay exactly where you want them. The optional ionizer provides an extra layer of air freshness, while the filter replacement indicator removes the guesswork from maintenance. With a filter lifespan of around 3,000 hours or 6 months, upkeep is straightforward and predictable. This makes the purifier easy to live with long-term, without constant reminders or complicated cleaning routines. Design-wise, the Medify MA-40 fits seamlessly into most environments. Its clean white finish and modern shape allow it to blend into home decor or professional spaces without drawing unnecessary attention. It feels sturdy, well-built, and clearly designed with long-term reliability in mind. Certifications like CARB, ETL, and Energy Star, along with a lifetime warranty, further reinforce confidence in its quality and safety. Overall, the Medify MA-40 Air Purifier is an excellent investment for anyone serious about improving indoor air quality. It combines powerful filtration, large area coverage, quiet operation, and smart features into a single, dependable unit. Whether you're combating allergies, wildfire smoke, pet odors, or everyday dust, this purifier delivers consistent, noticeable results that make your living or working space feel fresher, healthier, and more comfortable every single day.